Do you struggle with chronic fatigue, stubborn belly fat, or health issues that just won't go away? What if the solution isn't inexpensive medications, extreme diets, or hours at the gym? Dr. Mindy Pelz, one of the world's leading experts in fasting and functional medicine, says, "Your body has an incredible ability to heal. All it needs is the right environment." In this video, we'll cover what is autophagy and how does it work? The 6 powerful foods that trigger autophagy. Let's explore how to activate your body's natural healing mode and unlock vibrant energy and longevity.
Welcome to Healthy Aging Center.
1. Autophagy, the body's inner cleanup crew. Autophagy is your body's natural detox and repair system. It kicks in during fasting when no food is coming in. That's when your body says, time for a cleanup. And it starts clearing damaged cells, viruses, and aging tissue. At 12 hours, ketones begin to rise. At 13 hours, growth hormone increases. At 17 hours, cells enter repair mode. At 24 hours, your gut lining starts to rebuild. At 36 hours, stubborn fat begins to burn. At 48 hours, dopamine system resets. At 72 hours, your immune system regenerates. 2. Avocado, Dr. Pelz's go-to food for breaking a fast. Breaking your fast with healthy fat silences hunger hormones and prevents binge eating. Best combo, avocado plus probiotic-rich sauerkraut or kimchi. It jumpstarts fat burning and supports gut health. 3. Raw cacao real chocolate. Raw cacao supports liver cell autophagy. But beware, not sugary chocolate. Go for dark chocolate with 70% plus cacao content to activate cell renewal. 4. Coffee. The right coffee at the right time can be a miracle. During fasting, black, organic, mold-free coffee boosts autophagy in the liver, heart, and muscles. Add MCT oil to supercharge fat burning. Avoid sugar or cream. They stop autophagy. 5. Green tea and bergamot. Green tea is another fasting-friendly drink. It protects the brain, reduces inflammation, and promotes autophagy. Bergamot tea is even more powerful, shown to support autophagy even in cancer cells. 6. Olive oil. Cold-pressed, organic olive oil is a powerful anti-aging superfood. But never cook with it, heat destroys its healing compounds. Dr. Pelz recommends 1 tablespoon daily, even during fasting. 7. Turmeric. Curcumin. The active compound curcumin in turmeric activates autophagy in pancreas cells. It also fights viruses and slows aging. Combine with black pepper to increase absorption by 2,000%. Long life, strong immunity, clear mind. According to Dr. Mindy Pelz, eating the right foods at the right times triggers your body's self-healing powers. No meds, no expensive treatments required. Autophagy isn't just a buzzword. It's the secret to reversing chronic illness, slowing aging, and feeling truly alive again.